designed his own home. He designed his own home. He had to work hard before his big break. He had to work hard before his big break. He met his wife while holding her at gunpoint on TV. He met his wife while holding her at gunpoint on TV. He was involved with Power Rangers long before the 2017 film. He was involved with Power Rangers long before the 2017 film. He had a strange encounter with Charles Manson. He had a strange encounter with Charles Manson. He is a ping pong aficionado. He is a ping pong aficionado. He took a 2-year journey on a motorcycle. He took a 2-year journey on a motorcycle.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.